Hi everyone, this is Mehdi from SolarEx in Berkeley, California. You know, our packaging system is designed for filling 1-gallon cans and mostly 5-gallon paste, which is around 18 liters. But sometimes we need to fill smaller cans like this one, which is about 1 liter, half liter, or even this one, which is smaller, is about quart liter, or we say half pint cans. And mostly we use them for giving samples to contractors. So our usual packaging system doesn't work for them. That's why I came with a simple solution. Let's see what it is. All right. What I've made for our production guys to use for filling samples is a 1-gallon can, which I just added a valve here, and they just pour the material here like Selex 100, and then using this valve they simply fill these cans with almost zero mess. The reason that I recorded this video actually is a simple but smart solution can make your workday much easier and sometimes more efficient. That's why having some ideas about different things in work area that could be very helpful. Thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed our small idea, and see you next time. Your order is here, ready to ship. Catch it.